I am in the process of selling my current apartment, and I have this CAD export since remodeling. I imported it into Unity game engine so you can walk around in the apartment. Importing it into Unity and making it playable was surprisingly easy. You just have to check Generate Colliders for imported model and drop it into the scene with a FPS player controller from standard assets. I had to do lots of cleanup to the 3D model in Blender since it had lots of overlaying surfaces that created the flickers in Unity. I also created some scripts that make the doors open when you approach them. The nice new feature in Unity is that you can compile your game into WebGL application. If you want to try it yourself, then the link is in the description box below. It works great with Chrome, Firefox and Microsoft Edge, but for some reason lighting does not work with Safari.